Hello everybody. Have you ever heard about the word freelancing that we call online earning? If no, don't be sad. Watch out the full video and learn one thing new today. And, if yes, you can still watch to get the most accurate knowledge about it. So people, in this channel, I'm gonna teach you guys the basic of freelancing, the best websites we need to earn money, how to start it and maintain it. After that I will teach you guys skills that we need in freelancing if you don't have any one of that, and one day you will be pro in it. So in this video I'm gonna give you the introduction of freelancing and why to start freelancing, its need nowadays. Why the world is going toward online jobs rather than being stick to 9-to-5 job. So people, let's get started. First, start from the introduction. Freelancing is the process through which you can do particular pieces of work for different organizations or company rather than being stick to one organization or company and working all the time for it. In freelancing, there is no more long-term contract with organization. In easy words, working online from home is freelancing. You offer a service online to a client and he pays you for that. Freelancing is that phenomenon which took the world in last 10 years and very vast growing online work. A freelancer is self-employed and offers services to multiple clients at a time. Freelancer is his own boss and sets his own services, menu price and target market of client. This is the most authentic and profitable online work. There are many skills that are offered to client like writing projects or assignments, designing, logo making and many more. I will tell you about all skills and the best one for you. Hope you guys understands this point about freelancing, and now we will discuss why this is important. Why people are moving toward it and making it career in their lives. So this is the most important point of this video and its need nowadays. Why the world is going toward online jobs rather than being stick to one organization or company. So this is the most asked question these days, and it is really very important to know the worth of freelancing and why to leave your job and make your career in freelancing. First thing is, in this era, industrial and academic gap become very vast. Universities are producing graduates but they do not have jobs and income when we compare graduated students and the job offers in country. Graduated students are more than jobs. You guys should know this, and also have people around who are worried about their jobs and income. So this is the platform which should be started to get rid of 9-to-5 job and to get rid of all the worries that brings with this. Second thing is, not everyone, mostly females, can't go out and work, especially in countries like Pakistan and India, but they have skills and they are just wasting it by sitting in home. So freelancing is also for these kind of people. Thirdly, it has many benefits than 9-to-5 job that I'll tell you in my next video. Hope you guys understands this and now you have idea about freelancing. So if you want to know more about it, stick to the channel. It won't waste your time, instead your knowledge will increase and you will learn some skills. Thank you for watching this video, and thumbs up for yourself if you want to be at a good point in your life, and also for the video. Do like, subscribe and share. You can also share your thoughts in the comments. Stay blessed.